Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Septian. First time here. I'm an audio only channel. I do earbuds and in-ear monitors. Today I'm going to be doing a unboxing. Got some brand new budget IEMs from 7Hz. This is the Salnotes Zero by 7Hz. It's a very small box. Bought these on Thursday. They came Saturday afternoon from Amazon. So that's the box for the Salnotes, and this is the box for the Chew. Okay, now I'm gonna ask you something. Honestly, who wore it better? Who did it better? Look at this. Look at this. It made it seem like you was getting a lot in the box for the Chews. I mean, you get a little pouch, and some, spring tips, and some documentation. That's pretty much it. But yeah, enough of that. Let's go ahead and I like this presentation. This is nice. This is my first pair of Salnotes. I mean, well, 7Hz, I should say. I know they got the timeless, which is the planar IEMs. I want to check those out. But the price, whew, jeez. Okay, we getting some goodies in here. What is this? Jelly beans? Oh man, that's tight. That's different. It is multicolored silicone tips. And let me see. Okay, the bag is yellow, so it's yellow tinted. So I couldn't tell what. Oh, okay. We got some orange, we got some pastel yellow, we got some blue ones, we got some pink ones. Now let's lost one of the pink ones. All right, that's different. Color coordinated. That's pretty smart idea. Color coordinated silicone tips. Interesting. Let's see, we got a little card here. Let you read that in specs. Get them specs. That's in Chinese. I can't read that. There's some specs. I don't know what the 10 millimeter means. I know what that 0.78 though. I know what that means. That's 2 pin connector. 32. What, 32 ohms? Okay, so don't really need much to drive these then. And let me see, sensitivity, 108 decibels. That's good. That's loud enough. And you also get a little tiny user manual. Just tell you about. Okay, that's in Chinese. Let me turn that over here. There's a warranty card. Avoid accidents, avoid product damage. Blah 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 blah. Did I tell you not to sleep in them? Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm sleeping in these. Okay. Now let's move all of this stuff out the way, and let's get right into it. See what kind of cable this is. Okay, right off the gate, I like the cable. I just touched it and I like it. Okay, let's unravel it. Let's see if it's got a whole lot of memory to it. Nope, not really. It's flat. That's different. Got Salnotes branding right there. Check that out. It's flat. So it's like a better. Oh, okay. You got a Y splitter and you got a chin cinch. Make sure I said that slow instead of saying it fast. I always get tongue tied on that word. It's a nice cable. It's nice. Very nice. I like it. Just gonna wrap that out. And let's look at the IEMs themselves. Okay, so we got some color coordinated silicone tips on here. These came in more like multiple colors. I think they came in like white and silver, and then like silver faceplate. I think all of them, they all have like the silver faceplate, and then this part will be a different color. You have this is black, then you have I think gray, a white, and then you have this weird looking really light blue, like Easter egg blue color. I was gonna get those, but I saw a lot of people was buying those, so I was like, nah, I'm good. Okay, now this is pretty dope. They feel nice, they look nice, they're very lightweight. Stock tips are pretty dope. Let me take it off and look at the nozzle. Ooh, man. Are you sure these are $12? I know I paid $20. You know, these don't look like $20 IEMs. They look like, I don't know, $60 IEMs. Okay, let's connect these to the cable. I am going to test out the passive noise cancellation and the fit in the ear. This is a pretty nice cable. This is not a bad cable. They fit perfect. I can hear myself talking, but anything else besides my voice, I can't hear anything. Not really. This muffled. Good passive for noise. Are these really $20? I gotta test something out right quick. These cannot be $20. These feel like $50 or $60 IEM. Okay, the bass. It's okay. Okay. Let me see. Let me. Yeah, the bass is pretty smooth. I like the bass. Okay. Okay, you got me. You got me. Hold up. Okay, I gotta test out the sub bass. Oh, where's the sub bass part? Come on, where's it at? It's a dynamic sound. It's not bad, but I mean, I have to consider that these are like $20. I think they only have like a single dynamic driver inside of them anyway. I mean, the sound is really smooth. Like, it's kind of like dynamic or balanced. Yeah, it's like really laid back sound. Let me do something crazy. I'm gonna take this all the way up to, okay, now we're talking. Right here. Right there. Yes! Bass good. It's like it comes in and then it comes out real slow. It's like, ooh, it sounds good. Not bad for $20. And the cool thing is, you know, you got the low end, you got the mids, and then you got the highs. And sometimes on these budget IEMs or these headphones, it's all about the bass. They didn't tune them to do anything else but just be bassy as hell. These are really smooth. Are these really $20 though? What? Yes! I ain't believing this, man. It's a clean sound. It's nice and crisp. Raycon, the Chef sound good. Method Man sound good. He's nice. He's nice. I mean, turn him up a little bit, you know, a little more, a little past, you know, 50% volume. You get that good bass response. But yeah, man, okay. I'm gonna have to do a full review on these. These are nice. Hell, I might have to do a what should you buy IEM editions. $20 like 5 years ago. Did not buy these, man. I'm telling you. Wow, I'm kind of blown away. I mean, I'm not saying like they're the best thing ever, but you know, for the price, and I know a lot of people don't like hearing that phrase, but money is sometimes the determining factor when you're shopping for tech. Sometimes the features, sometimes it's the price. You know, I really like the price to performance ratio on these. I mean, they're really good. Like, wow, like 20. And then you get the little jelly bean silicone tips in the box. Who does that? Who does that? Like, you're getting like different colors, and I guess they wanted you to, like, you know, play around with them and see, you know, which ones fit your ears best. Which, for audio companies doing that is a big plus. Thank you for that. So yeah, 7Hz Salnotes Zero, $20 single dynamic driver, I think. I'm not sure. It's my unboxing and first impressions. And my impressions are I'm liking what I hear. I like this cable too. I like this flat. It's like a more expensive KZ cable. So yeah, leave a like down below. Leave me a comment, share this video, subscribe, you know, ring a ding ding. Enjoy your life, enjoy your sound. I'll see you in the next one.